How to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming not working. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. Now for this, it is pretty simple. Firstly, you need to make sure that your Xbox Cloud Gaming is available for your region. If not, there is nothing that you can do in your end, but wait for it to be available for your region. If it is available for your region and you are facing such problem, follow this simple step. Firstly, you need to check for the Xbox status to know if the servers are working correctly. In order to do so, you can just search for support.xbox.com and search for Xbox status, or just in your Google search for Xbox status. Now from here on the services, you need to navigate to cloud gaming and remote play. Make sure that all of it are up and running. In this case, you can easily wait for a couple of minutes and you'll be able to launch your Xbox Cloud Gaming. If not, you need to clear up your cache. Tap on the three-dot icon in your Chrome. Then you need to scroll down to head to the settings option. Once you're in your settings, click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, tap on Clear Browsing Data. Tap on Clear Data. This will clear up your browsing data, cookies, and the cache. That will help your browser for a quick refresh. Once it is refreshed, you can try to launch your Xbox Cloud Gaming and it should be working. And that wraps up the tutorial as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us.